Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's make soft and delicious chocolate cake using whole wheat flour. For this recipe, I have taken wheat flour 2 cups, unsweetened cocoa powder 1 cup, sugar 2 cups, butter half cup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 eggs, 1.5 teaspoon baking soda, 1 cup milk, 1 cup boiling water. Combine wheat flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, sugar and baking soda and mix well. In a separate bowl, add eggs and butter and whisk it well. Now we can add milk and whisk it. Add the flour little by little and mix it well. Once this is mixed, we can add the boiling water and mix it well. You can see the consistency of the batter. I have greased the baking pan with butter. Pour the batter less than halfway into the baking pan, about 40% of the way, and bake it at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 55 minutes. In the meantime, we can prepare frosting for the chocolate cake. For this, I have taken 8 tablespoons of butter, 8 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 12 tablespoons of sugar, and about 6 to 7 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to add everything to the blender and blend it well. You can see the consistency of the frosting. Chocolate cake has finished baking. Before taking it out of the oven, make sure it's baked well. You can test this using a toothpick or a fork. I'm going to cut this cake into 2 halves. Then I'm going to put frosting on one of the halves and put the other half of the cake on top of it. Next, put frosting on top of the cake and all around it. Soft and delicious chocolate cake is ready. I made this with whole wheat flour. Try this recipe. You will definitely like it. Post your comments and also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.